Snapchat is launching its own AI chatbot called MyAI, which will be powered by OpenAI's GPT. As Snap CEO Evan Spiegel told in an interview, Snapchat users will have access to its new conversational chatbot, which can write haikus, plan a hiking trip, and recommend birthday gifts. At the moment, the feature will only be available to paying Snapchat Plus subscribers, but the platform plans on making the chatbot accessible to all its users in the future. The move comes as tech companies like Meta, Microsoft, and Google are racing to build AI models. MyAI is more limited than the existing chatbot. It is designed to avoid biased, incorrect, harmful, or misleading information, but mistakes can occur. Snap warns users to not rely on it for advice, as MyAI is prone to hallucination and can be tricked into saying just about anything. MyAI was trained to have a unique tone and personality that plays into Snapchat's core values around friendship, learning, and fun. Users can give the chatbot a name and select a chat wallpaper. Snapchat hopes its new AI feature will help keep it financially afloat, as the company struggles to grow its user base and generate revenue.